Have you ever spoken louder to make sure everyone hears the important part? Today's word helps us shine a light on what matters most. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is emphasize. Can you say it with me? Emphasize. Let's spell it together. E-M-P-H-A-S-I-Z-E. That spells emphasize. Emphasize means to give special attention or importance to something. Here are some words that mean the same as emphasize. Say them with me. Highlight, like using a bright marker on the main idea. Stress, like saying one word louder so it stands out. Accent, like pointing to the most important detail. Focus, like paying close attention to the instructions. Reinforce, like repeating something so it really sticks. Each one shows how emphasize means making something stand out. Now let's look at the opposites of emphasize. Downplay, like saying it's not such a big deal. Minimize, like making an important step seem small. Ignore, like skipping the main point completely. Neglect, like forgetting to point out what matters most. Forget, like leaving out the key detail. That's the opposite of emphasizing. Here's a great example. The teacher emphasized how important it was to listen during the fire drill. Review time. Emphasize means to give special attention to something. Synonyms. Highlight. Stress. Accent. Focus. Reinforce. Antonyms. Downplay. Minimize. Ignore. Neglect. Forget. Emphasizing helps you highlight the most important ideas so others don't miss them. Here's your challenge. Emphasize a word in a sentence by saying it louder than the others. Bonus points if someone remembers it later. Fantastic! You emphasized what mattered most and made it stand out. Keep pointing out what matters, word explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sofia.